how to find off Facebook preview settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find off Facebook's preview settings on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings. And now just go down until you find followers and public content, click on it and go down again and you will find here this one of Facebook previews, and that's how to find of Facebook preview settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.